lose your head. Oh gosh! Okay, yeah, kill it. What is going on? Welcome, boys and girls, to Mooshies Kitchen. Boy, this should be exciting. Mooshies Kitchen. There you go. The kitchen is all cleaned up and we can finally go home. Todd. That's me. I'm Todd. Okay. Afterwards, I'll speak to Veronica in her office. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, hey. Whoa. What are you doing here, bro? Do I know you? Talk. Mitch! We got the kitchen cleaned up quickly tonight, Todd. Hey, if you see my car keys around here, let me know. I can't leave the kitchen without them. Car keys, you say? Jen. Ooh, I'm good. Okay, we can close that. We can close that. Oh! Close it! Oh my God! Thank you. Phew. Okay. Car keys. Surely. Ooh, oh wow. The mirror render is just gorgeous. I look absolutely pixelated. Okay, all right. That's awesome. What's this button do? Oh, okay. I can't do nothing with it. Car keys. I haven't seen any. Let's move a little faster here. Hippity hop. Hippity hop. Mooshies Kitchen. Since April 20th, 1969. Veronica's office. Wasn't I supposed to... Mooshi's room? Yo, who's that? Hey, you seen keys anywhere? Jesus! Why are we slamming doors, bro? What is going on? A key. Pick up. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, let me out of that room. That room's haunted. This whole area, this whole kitchen might be haunted. Hey, what's up, bruv? Hello, bruv. Steve. Hey, yo, Todd. You can't go in the workshop today. I've got a new mascot in the works. Okay. In case you haven't heard yet, Mooshi's being retired. Uh-oh. It sucks to see him go, but hey, it's time for a change. Have a nice day, Todd. Hey, thanks, man. Okay, can't go in. Alright. I'm gonna try it anyway. Mooshie? Hello? No Mooshie. Well, I picked up a key, right? So this could be his car key. Oh god, there's Veronica. Looking swell today. See what I did there? Where'd he go? Mitch? In here? Oh, Mitch, why do you gotta be in here, bro? Mitch is just standing there. You just standing there while this guy's using the bathroom. Or gal, apparently. Mitch, listen. Can you come out here? Come out here, bro. Come on out. Alright, we gotta go in and give him his key. Okay, here we go. Alright. Toilet guy. Man, this crap is bad. I've been in here for about 30 minutes. Crap, are you kidding me? There's no toilet paper in here. anyone's out there, please chuck me some toilet paper. I'm in the 3rd stall. Hurry, I have to get home to my wife and 4 children. Okay. Gosh, this is like paper towels, but... Oh, there we go. Third stall. Let's see if we can listen. 3rd stall. Would it be this one or this one? Let's just do this one. Wait, hold on. Did it go? Hold on. Let's try it. Yeah, this one. Wait. What? What? Hold up. Ah! That must be the wrong stall. Okay. So this is the 3rd one. Ah! Mitch, here's your key, bro. Thanks, Todd. I knew they would show up eventually. Once I'm done in here, I can finally head home and play some indie horror games on Itch.io. You should check out Lachlan Shelton. He makes great games. Okay, cool. Plug in yourself. Nice. In fact, okay, come on. Okay, bud. Is he out? Woo! Oh, God. Feels better after that dump, huh? What is this game, dude? What is this? Impressive. Sick moves. Yeah, slay. Slay, sir. Ma'am. Ma'am, sir. I don't know, dude. I really don't. Can I talk to him? No, he's just gonna break it down. Okay, okay, bud. Hey, you do you. Alright, you do you. Veronica! Looking swell today. Hi, Todd. Before you go tonight, I'm going to need you to speak to Mooshie, okay? In case you didn't know, we've made the decision to retire Mooshie and rebrand our kitchen. Times are changing, and kids these days find Mooshie to be creepy. Uh-huh. Go speak to Mooshie for me. I left a retirement gift in the janitor's closet that you should give him after you speak to him. Okay. Nice milk. Morning milk, huh? Cool. Plushie! So this must be the new mascot you're replacing Mooshie with. A giant gingerbread-looking character. Okay, cool. So let's go talk to Mooshie. Oh. Hello, Mooshie. Hey, bud. Yeah, he's looking a little down. Hey. You want to talk about it? Oh, God! Hey, Mooshie, I have something to tell you, pal. Veronica just informed me that her and management have decided to retire you and rebrand the kitchen. I know it sucks, but times are changing. Just wait here, buddy. I'm gonna go get something for you. I can see why they want to replace you. Ooh. Yeah, 'cause you're absolutely creepy, bud. Uh-huh. Let me go get that gift. Okay. There we go. Aaron, the doors have no colliders. Your friend Omo. This door is on something. Alright. Mooshie? Mooshie. That's weird. Mooshie's gone. It's not like him to wander off like that, is it? It's not? Oh, okay. I should look around for him. If I can't find him, I'll ask Veronica for help. These doors. There, we got a crowbar. Maybe we'll need that later. I can't see myself. Okay, cool. Mooshie's room is boring. Alright. No Xbox or nothing? No gaming PC? Like, what? Yeah, you seen Mooshie? You seen Mooshie? No? Yeah. Let's check in here. Veronica, did you see Mooshie? Hey again, Todd. How did Mooshie take the news? Did he like his gift? Uh-oh. Did the power really have to cut out now? Go turn on the backup power in the storage area. Looking swell today. Alright. These doors, man. Okay, he's still dancing. Dancing! dancing in the dark. Okay. This is an interesting kitchen. Alright, let's just turn on that backup power. This right, y'all? Right? Yeah, flip left. Bada bing! There we go. Alright, power's back on. I should get back to Veronica and tell her about Mooshie going missing. Yeah, where did that little rascal go? Hello? Break dancer, sir? This guy's still down there? No. He's gone too. Veronica? Oh! Veronica's no longer with us. Oh God! Veronica, I can't believe this is happening. I guess I know who's responsible for this. I need to get out of here quick. What's that? Hello? Oh, it's boarded. You can't leave, Todd! Don't find the crowbar! Way to lose your head. Oh gosh! Okay, yeah, kill it. Yeah, kill it. Slay, Mooshie. Uh-oh. Is he going back there? Okay, now's our chance. Is this door open? What? What happened? What happened? What happened? Grab it! Okay, hide. Can I hide? Can I hide? Oh my God, what was that about? I can strike. What? No! Does he hear me when I run? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Jesus, you scared me. No, Mooshie! Todd, Mooshie's gone crazy. Retiring him was such a bad idea. Management should have thought this through. Where's he at? I don't want to get out from behind the door, man. Okay. Okay, grab the crowbar. Bada bing. I don't know where to go, dude. Should I get to Veronica's room? Everybody be quiet. Silence. Where's he at? What is he doing? Okay. Wait, did he go in there? He went in her office. Okay, hold on. No! We got the right hiding spot, man. Okay. Yeah, go around the corner. Yeah. F it up, Mooshie. F it up. F it up, Mooshie. F it up, bro. Get it. Get it. Killing it. Okay. I can't. I'm waiting on him, you know? Okay. You can't leave, Todd. Watch me. Okay. Get out. I made it.
Mooshie gone mad. A local man by the name of Todd, who works at the popular Mooshies Kitchen claims he survived an attack from the legendary aging mascot. He just jumped right out at me, man. Todd.
Bunhole news. Okay, interesting.
Back to you.
Yeah, you got a bit too much gain on your mic, bud. There it is. Mooshies Kitchen. Yeah, get it, Mooshie. Let's go. F it up. F it up, Mooshie.
I walk alone in Mooshi's footsteps. I'm gonna kill everybody. Yeah. Mooshie is my idol. He taught me how to cook. Mooshie is the best in the world. Nobody can beat him. Nobody can beat him. Mooshie, Mooshie, Mooshi's Kitchen. Mooshie, Mooshie, Mooshi's Kitchen. It's where it's at. Mooshi's Kitchen is where it's at. It's where it's at. Mooshi's Kitchen. Yeah. I cooking up ahead on the stove. Mooshi's Kitchen is where I'm at since 4/20/1969. That's right, since April 20th, 1969. I've been here at Mooshi's cooking all day, every day with my boy Mooshie all day. My boy Mooshie on the way. My boy Mooshie. Yeah.